What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2020 Chevrolet Trax started if the key fob dies. So like I said, I'm demonstrating on a 2020 Chevy Trax in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. And this is only going to apply to the Trax that have a push-button start ignition. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no remote detected. So what I need to do is take my key fob and I'm going to place it in the front cup holder like that. And once that key fob is sitting in the front cup holder like that, we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. And now you're ready to drive as normal, and then you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.